I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is updated and has enough space. That avoids missing features. Next, find any app icon and long press it. When the menu appears, choose Edit Home Screen. If you prefer, press more firmly until icons jiggle. Once icons wobble, you can move, stack, or remove apps. Make sure to notice the minus signs and folder highlights. They show removable or movable items. This step unlocks the entire layout process, so don't skip it. Now that icons are jiggling, drag any app to a new spot or to the bottom dock to prioritize it. Moving across pages is just a swipe. If you want grouped apps, drop one app onto another to form a folder, then tap its name to rename for quick discovery. To add widgets, long press an empty area, tap the plus icon, pick a widget size, then place it. Widgets show glanceable info, so choose sizes that balance function with space. Once done, check page order and visibility. To finish, tap Done in the corner or press the Home button or swipe up depending on your model. That locks the layout. If you want fewer pages, move apps to the app library rather than deleting them. This declutters without losing data. If icons disappear or layouts refuse to save, restart your iPhone first. If that doesn't help, go to Settings, General, Reset Home Screen Layout to restore defaults. This resets positions but keeps apps, so use it as a last step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.